Hey, so this is my first YouTube video, but this is my 1957 Dodge school bus. My dad just barely gave it to me. It is a 35-foot bus, kitchen in it, and sink and fridge, and the original seat is in pristine condition, but I'm looking forward to restoring this. It's also got a 292 industrial hemi, and the front end is off of the usual Dodge industrial and front end and truck. It's pretty sweet. The windows are broke out on one side, vandalizers, but that's no worries. There's no front end windows, but it's in really nice condition is the thing. Still got dials and cluster on it. Still got all the stuff. It's got original seat belts in it. I'd like to restore and keep the end pieces and the connectors on there and put new seat belts in it. The original floor from when it was a school bus is under the new floorboard. The grit with the non-slip stuff, But like the levers for air conditioning still work. It still shifts. It's a 4 on the floor, but it's still got the heater box, which is sweet, with a nice patina on it. Oh yeah, this right here is a Bell telephone that I found a while ago in the oven. Get that sucker out. The wires are frayed, but all together that is sweet. It's got original dials on the oven and stove. It's in a lot better condition. Like, look at that roof. There's like one spot with a hole in it. That's where the old stove top used to be, where they would put a hole through the top, and that's where the steam would come out, the smoke. Has the original super large steering wheel. Like, that's how much room I have to drive. It gets my pants really dirty. And it's got a Mopar ignition switch, which I'll have to find a new one. This cluster board has 3 heaters, 2 defrosters, well, a fan, dome, marker cluster, master wiper. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. Still got the water temperature for the heater vents, which are not in it anymore because the heater doesn't work. But I want to keep this because it looks just really cool. And I want to just like all this wood, fake wood laminate on here. I'm going to take that out and wash the inside real good. It's still got the original pegs on it to move the seat up and down. Well, this is as low as it goes. So people back then in the 1950s were a lot smaller. And it's got 143,895 miles on it. It can go up to 110 miles per hour because that big boy Hemi in the front. But it's still got like fuel. It's got amps, so it tells you how much amp in the battery you have. It says heat in oil, which there is no oil whatsoever in this engine, but which is actually wrong. This is probably broken, so I might have to find another one. But right there is the Bluebird company serial number and stuff like that. Plate is a mirror, windshield wiper, motor, this big board right here, which I want to remove to give me more headroom when I'm driving. These windows, it's really sad that somebody came and broke these out. This is my great-great-grandma's bus, and it's really special to me. But, you know, people are jerks, so, yeah. There's the original horn piece right there, the V on it. The original turn signal. It's just worn out, and these are little lights, I think. Yeah, they're little lights that tell you which direction you're actually going. But all together, this is a pretty complete bus. I'm really happy to be able to restore this vehicle to its original glory and put it back on the road for people to admire. Well, thank you guys for watching.